In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your QuickBooks and Square accounts. This guide will help you manage your financial transactions with ease and ensure that your accounts are always up to date. First, let's start by navigating to QuickBooks. You'll need to log in to access the main dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the left side menu bar. This is where you'll find all the essential features you use most often. Click on Transactions from this menu. It serves as the central hub for all your business's financial entries, giving you a complete overview of your income and expenses. Next, within the Transaction section, select Bank Transactions. This will allow you to manage the accounts connected to your QuickBooks, ensuring all funds are accounted for accurately. Once you're in, you'll want to click on Connect Account. This option is crucial as it will help you link another account, such as your Square account, which helps streamline your accounting processes by keeping all transactions in one place. As we move forward, you'll see a section labeled Let's Find Your Account. In this box, click into the search box area and type Square. By doing so, you'll locate your Square account more effortlessly than browsing through a long list of options. Once you've entered the search query, you'll see Square Checking appear. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the connection process. Now you're ready to connect your accounts. Click Connect Your Accounts, and you'll be guided through a simple process to ensure both platforms work harmoniously together. Once you've initiated this process by clicking Continue, a sign in Page for Square will pop up. It's time to enter your Square login credentials. Begin by adding your email or phone number associated with your Square account. This step is straightforward, focusing on using your original Square sign-in details. After entering this information, click on Continue to move to the next step. You're asked for your password next. Input it carefully and click Sign In to proceed further. To ensure the security of your account, Square will prompt you to complete a two-step verification process. This additional layer of security protects your financial data by confirming your identity. Once you successfully complete this verification, you will see that your Square account is now connected seamlessly with QuickBooks. This finished setup allows for a seamless flow of transactions between Square and QuickBooks, simplifying your bookkeeping process. And there you have it. Your QuickBooks and Square accounts are now linked, making financial management more efficient and less time-consuming. We hope you find this integration helpful in keeping your business finances organized and precise. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful guides.